हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम रीडिंग करेंगे चैप्टर 1 द टीनी टीचर। स्टार्ट करते हैं। नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट इंसेक्ट यू हैव सीन एंड द विसेस्ट इज इट द फ्लाई। नो, इट इज नॉट। इज इट द mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. No, none of these. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue, but people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely, so we know a number of facts about this tiny, hard working and intelligent creature. An ant uses its feelers and or antennae to talk to other ants by asking message through them. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets of all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Workers have their reversed quarters. They spend most of their times searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. No workers has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldiers has ever gone out searching for food. No workers or soldiers or cleaners has ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of group. The green is the mother of the entire population of the colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings but beats them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the air. On its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does nothing but lay eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them. Workers feed and clean them and also carry them about daily for airings. Exercise and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grub becomes cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Now it's time for teaching and training new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world of work. And ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures, beetles, lizards, birds of ants and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? For several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to the ant's senses. Others give sweet juices, and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk with a touch of their antennae. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher: hard work, sense of duty, and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. सो बाय बाय.